Well, good day everybody. This is Chris of the Ancient Scholar. I hope this video finds you all doing well. In this particular video, I want to talk about some potential concerns I have with the FN Reflex. So I was actually just doing some just some routine maintenance, field strip, wiping it down, making sure it's clean. I should say I have a little over 1,000 rounds, 1,100 rounds through it so far. Haven't even had this a year. And so I don't think that it has been used heavily. I've primarily fired 124 grain ball ammo through it. I have also fired a limited amount of the carry ammo, the 124 grain plus P Federal HST. So nothing crazy and nothing out of the ordinary, and certainly haven't been doing any sort of exotic ammunition, and I have not put any plus P plus ammunition through this weapon, as I do not believe it is rated for plus P plus, only plus P. So let me show you what my potential concerns are, and I'm actually going in and going to have it checked out, and I'll perhaps make some follow-up videos on this. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and clear it. You can see the chamber is clear. Okay. All right, it's pointed in a safe direction. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to field strip this real quick. We'll lock the slide back. Up we go. All right, we're going to take the slide off. And what I want you guys to do is I want to take a look at the slide here. So this is the housing for the firing pin. And if you can see here, there is a big chunk that has been taken out of this, of the slide here, the firing pin assembly. Let me see if I can point that out real quick. Right there. See if I can zoom in. If you guys can see that, there's a big chunk missing from that. And this appears to be, this slide here is also, there's a little bump here, and it's actually, it's kind of warped as well. I have never seen anything like this on any slide for any firearm that I've had. You can pretty clearly see that big old chunk that's been taken out. There's a little bit of wear happening here as well, and it's kind of hard to appreciate. But the whole slide is kind of warped as well, so it's really concerning. So I'm just going to remove the barrel here. So you look at the barrel, it doesn't look too bad. Everything looks okay there. The ramp, you see I've cleaned that up. It's nice. It's maintained its polish. So everything looks okay there. I look in the rest of the slide, and it looks okay, but this really does concern me here. That big old chunk that has, it's almost like this has been pushed in this direction. A big old chunk's been gouged out of it, and this has kind of been warped, and there's like a little bump here. And so it's like the whole slide has been pushed somehow, and that is really bizarre. I don't know what's going on there. I haven't noticed any mechanical issues as far as failure to extract, failure to feed, failure to go into battery, anything like that. But I'm actually fairly concerned by that, and I don't have an explanation for how or why that is happening. So, like I said, I'm going to take it in, and we'll see what comes of this. I don't know. I'm a little concerned, to say the least. So now that I've put the gun back together, so I get this to focus. There we go. So it's back together. We'll just do, it's clear. All right, so we'll just do a basic function check. That checks out. Cycle it. Yeah, I mean, we're good to go. Yeah, so, you know, I'm a little concerned. I mean, I have noticed there's a quite a significant amount of wear. So the finish is maybe not robust. You can see you can see the finish is coming off here. You know, this is certainly worn a little bit more than some of my other firearms, particularly at just over 1,000 rounds, but that's mainly cosmetic, really. But I really suspect something more pernicious is going on with the slide, particularly that area in the area of the firing pin assembly. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, if anyone's ever had these issues with their FN Reflex, I would really appreciate any information you might have to offer on this. But I am concerned, and I'm going to have to take this out of my rotation until I can get some clarity on the issue. And if there is an issue, which I suspect there is, what, if any, thing can be done to resolve it. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.